So let's study the differences between a thermocouple and a thermistor. So both of these devices are used to measure temperatures. Now the first point under a thermocouple. So this is the circuit diagram of a thermocouple and we are supposed to measure the temperature at point A. Now these are two different metal plates 1 and 2. These are two different metal plates. So due to heating at different levels, the plates 1 and 2 will be at different temperatures. But this red color block is at a fixed temperature. This one is at a fixed temperature. Hence, due to the difference in temperatures in these two metal plates 1 and 2, a temperature difference will be formed at this point. Now this will be measured as an equivalent voltage difference through this meter. Now this calculation is done via mathematical formula. So this is the circuit diagram of a thermistor. Now a thermistor is a thermal resistor. Now a thermal resistor is a device whose resistance changes with change in temperature. Now the equivalent circuit resistance can be calculated easily from this circuit diagram, and hence it can be further converted into a temperature difference. It can be further converted into the temperature difference via some mathematical formulas. Now let's move on to the second point. Now one thing I forgot to mention, thermistors have a NTC, that is a negative temperature coefficient. Now a negative temperature coefficient means that with increase in temperature, the resistance will decrease. So this is the property of a thermistor. Now the second point is, so thermocouples are less sensitive to minute temperature changes, and for a thermistor, so thermistors are more sensitive to little temperature changes. So the output voltage versus the temperature curve for a thermocouple is known as the characteristic curve. Now on the basis of the temperature differences, thermocouples are categorized as J, K, etc. Now the meaning of these are, so for a J calibration type thermocouple, the temperature difference is from 0 to 750 degrees. While for a K type, the temperature difference is from 0 to 1250 degrees centigrade. So likewise, for different such temperature ranges, thermocouples have different such calibration names J, K, E, T, etc. Now for thermistors, this characteristic curve looks somewhat like this. So due to the negative temperature coefficient, the resistance of the thermistor will decrease upon increase in temperature. So this is what the graph suggests. As the temperature is being increased, the resistance is getting decreased. So the fourth point under a thermocouple is that it is the best choice when we require a simple, inexpensive solution with wider temperatures. And for a thermistor, so for high sensitivity, fast response and high output, a thermistor is useful. So this is the symbol of a thermocouple, and for a thermistor, and this is the symbol of a thermistor. So these were the differences between a thermocouple and thermistor. Thank you.